What am I doing here?
I should be asking you that question. How did you bring me here? Who are you? Eh?
Who is this one? And why are you asking me questions that I should be asking you? I mean, the last I remember we were at the restaurant eating. So how did I end up here in bed with you? Is this your way of winning a woman?
Who? Come on, shut up. Oh. So this is your little plan, yeah? This is your little plan of taking advantage of me. So tell me, how much do you intend on collecting after all this? Eh? How much? Because this thing looks like a blackmail to me.
Me? Blackmail you? Uncle, your face is already black enough as it is. I don't even need to do much. I told Gift I did not want to go on these dates. I told her, but she would not listen. Now see. I mean, in fact, I gave you way too much credit. Because clearly you're not even man enough to be with a woman like me.